Hey, it's H here, and on today's video we're checking out gold. Now we had a larger time frame gold count done a couple of weeks back when we were here around these highs. So if you are interested on the larger scale Elliott Wave degree and labeling, please check out that video. Without further ado, let's check out what has been happening since. So we had a few different options open at that time, and we still do. We had this possibility where we had ended primary 3 here, and we were either done with 4 or doing the 4, or another option that we were done with the primary 5, and now we were looking massively down with a few different options. Now this is something I didn't bring up, I don't think, on the last video, and after that I saw this, but before this one I wanted to check out this here that we had previously thought as well. Now the idea was here that the bottom of 4 was here, then we just impulsed up into 1, 2. This 2 does not break the start here, so it is valid. Had some issues getting in here, had to get some kind of running flat here, and then into minor 2, and then impulsing up for the third of minor, of third of intermediary, of the fifth of primary. So that was the idea there. And last time we were around here. Now since then we've come down real fast, and just by looking at this correction here, let's go into 2 hour, we can see some kind of structure here. This can be, I guess, interpreted with 5 waves, this first move, then this can be second move, whether it's a 2 or B wave of a zigzag, I'm not sure yet, and this can be definitely same as the first move. So 5-3-5 structure here. Now is this part of this correction? I'm not sure, but basing this with, where's my pitchfork here? That was the original one. Okay, shift or modified shift. I think shift works here. We can see that we're already coming down and broken this downtrend here, at least for temporarily. This usually means that the structure connected to it might not be part of this here. Now, oops, did something wrong. We can also use this channeling method here. Where is the 5th? It's likely here. And with this one as well, we can see that it is broken. Now, whether it is ABC, as in this case we would like it to be, or something else, a start of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, we need to wait for a bit. Now for this to invalidate, we need to go past this bit here, so around the 1850, and if we still want to go up higher, there's definitely possibilities to do that. This can be 1, and this can be 2 basically. We've already come down quite a bit. Let's check out how much. We're to just around the 6-1. Well, that's a bit more. Let's go with the general one. Yeah, it actually ended somewhere not in a fib level, which is a bit weird. could indicate that this move isn't finished either. But again, bullish move up is definitely possible still. Now, another option was this one, where we had A, B, and creating a C. This is basically the same for the primary fifth finishing up here instead of somewhere here. But we would be looking for lower targets than this one, as it would be in a primary scale or degree. Now for this one, is it still valid? Actually, let's put that one into the, this one. Is this still valid? Yeah, it would be, yeah. Here is again room for interpretation. We could say that third way would be here, fourth here, fifth here. These corrections would really be around the same timetable, and would have taken similar time as well. So it might be reasonable to put it there, but still hasn't broken this area here, same as in the bullish case. So we could expect more movement up. But again, this move here, this B wave, has already gotten above the 90%, which qualifies for a flat. So whatever, if this count is the true one or the right one, we would be looking for 5 waves down. And as on the previous one marked, we could be marking this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 5 somewhere here. And this would most likely not be minute, might be the right one. Maybe that, but something like this. Now, what would be the targets for this kind of move? Let's check that out. 1-to-1 right here, which is definitely a possibility. Also anything basically between here. So 1-to-1 $1,600 or 1670, all the way up to here 1.618, which is actually ending around the previously marked fourth intermediary of third or primary count, which would be quite normal actually, for the primary 4 to end of the third of primary's intermediary 4. So this is something that can definitely play out. Let's put these guys on the same folder, and let's check out the triangle that we didn't have last time. Now the thing here is, let's bring the 4 here, is that, did we see the triangle here on RSI? We did see some kind of triangle. We saw it here, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, there's definitely a possibility for a triangle here. So actually this, as labeled, so this would be intermediary, as it is part of this primary 4, and this would be minor, and all the subwaves in the triangle would be minor degree as well. Now from here on out, let's check out where we had, yeah, okay, so basically we had the 1, 2 of this other count ending at the same spot here, where we had starting the 1, 2 movement here, and this would let's just call it minor for now. We don't know the degree just yet. Again, invalidation right here around 1850 when it touches this first one, wave 1. Yeah, let's put that in here. There we go. And again, that would most likely be 1, 2 of this fifth primary. So again, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up higher. If we don't top up here or go higher here, it probably is looking like we're going to do some correction more downwards, and this one is just hopeful. So currently what we're looking at regarding the price action, we can check out here. Actually, we need to wait for this to create the fifth move again. Yeah, so we need to look in the smaller time frame. And we had this zigzag here, and we're thinking about this again, this same idea, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it will play out if it will, and we need to, this is probably a really good place to, would have been a good place, it's probably still a good place to look for 5 waves and possible trade. Now if there's going to be some action here, let's have a look at the, which is lower, is this lowest? No, this is the lowest part. So what can we see here? This is the highest part in RSI. I don't really like it. We could have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this would be third, and then some kind of correction here. 1, 2 possibly, and then 3, 4, 5, and then we would be looking for this fifth first, and then 3 waves back, and then we could have that setup, trade setup, where we had our stops below here and aiming higher for the moon, if this is the true count. And where would we be targeting? Well, that would be way up. Let's check that out. As we don't know where the fifth wave is, we would be aiming for that fifth, for the truncation targets basically here around 2065. And after that, again, we would be looking, let's say this fifth wave comes up here, we would be looking for a correction downwards for wave 2 of this intermediary, right? And at that point again, we were looking for 5 waves up, 3 waves back, and we get another setup there. But this could be another play here for the shorter term trade setup. So yeah, I think that is all the counts that I had prepared for you, presented. So if you have another coin you would like me to analyze, I got a few ones that I really want to do, but I still got room in my list. So if you want to suggest something that you would like me to cover, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.